Hello all you gorgeous YouTubers, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my son's 7th birthday party. I did Minecraft, so I just wanted to show you what I did as far as the decorations because everything turned out so cute. I did build everything on my own because they don't really sell a lot of the Minecraft stuff for parties. But let me show you what I got. So this is the brick wall that I did with the light up torches. Super fun. I ordered the pictures from the actual Minecraft game. I have a little spider up there. Super fun. And then I have Steve that I built. He's about 4 feet tall and his armor comes off. I also built the sheep over there in the corner and then the Jeremy Jr. on the wall with the little creeper. So fun. And then all the balloon clouds and the streamer turned out perfect. There's my Enderdragon and my 9-foot tall punch tree. Each section of the trunk has 3 toys so that the kids at the party can punch and get a stuffed animal like the ones on the top. The party's going to start in about 2 hours. There's my Enderdragon. She's about 5 feet long and probably about a 5.5 to 6 foot wingspan. Here's the Minecraft windows I did on the sliding glass door and both windows, and then my trees. I tried to make them as square as possible. Here is my chandelier. There it is. Super cute. So it is lit up and it goes right over my actual chandelier that I have hanging. Here is the portal. And if you go inside, this is the entrance to the restroom. I am going to put 50 balloons, helium balloons up on the top that are red. I haven't got those yet. And then there is my piñata that is being used as a decoration right now. And then inside the portal I have the Enderman. So it's super fun in here. It goes all the way around. And then it's just the entrance to the restroom. So I also am going to have all the food. Here is the tablecloth I used is a sheet. And then here is the chocolate candy that I did with Happy Birthday Jeremy Jr. on it. And then here is another view of the tree. So cute. The windows turned out amazing. And if you have any questions on how I did anything or how I made anything, just leave a comment in the comment section. These are going to be for my cupcakes. I actually got Minecraft ribbon and wrapped it around the cupcake pans so they look really cute. And then this does light up in all the different colors. So it's going to be fun. And then these are the gift boxes that I'm using. They're cute little TNT and grass blocks. And then, like I said, I don't have all the food yet, but here's kind of an idea of what I'm going to do. I'm going to put ice in the water bucket and the potion bucket. And then I have just all the food set out. I did make the TNT block. It turned out so cute. Trying to show you everything. I'm kind of short on time because I still have to pick up the cake, the cupcakes, and the balloons, the helium balloons, and the balloon bouquets. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what I did. I hope you guys like it. It is crazy. I think I'm the only one on the internet or anywhere that actually built the portal. It turned out so amazing. It's all glitter, so it sparkles like crazy. And then I have, of course, all the clouds hanging. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments or requests, please leave them in the comment section. I also have games that I'm going to put on the next video. And then I made the creeper toss, the pin the tail on the pig. And then, of course, we're going to do the piñata and then a raffle. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching it. And I hope you guys enjoyed my Minecraft birthday party. And until my next video, I say bye.